In class 6, now we are on the topic power of literal quantities. When a quantity is multiplied by itself, children, any number of times, then the product is called power of that quantity. Suppose a into a has got two like factors. So we'll express it as a into a is equal to a raised to the power 2. Similarly, if it has got three like factors a into a, then we will write it as a raised to the power 3. Now children, in this a raised to the power 8, a is the base, 8 is the exponent, or you can also call it index or power. Okay? When the power is 1 for all the values of x, when the power is 1, the answer is x only. Okay? And when the power is 0, the answer is 1. Now write this in index form. M into m is coming for 2 times. It has got 2 like factors and n has got 4 like factors. So m raised to the power 2 and n raised to the power 4. Okay class? If you want to write in product form, just break it. 3p raised to the power 4 means 3 into p into p into p into p. Now comes polynomial in one variable and its degree. Now when algebraic expression is made up of one variable only, it is called a polynomial in one variable. Here the variable is x. 3 plus 5x minus 7x square. It is a polynomial in variable x. Here this polynomial is in variable y. Now how to find its degree, children? The degree of a polynomial in one variable is the greatest of the exponents of its various terms. Now it has got various terms and they have got their powers. Now we will see which power is the which term has got the highest power. That power is the degree of this polynomial. Like here it is written 4x square. The exponent is 2. In this the exponent is 5 and in this the exponent is 6. The highest one is 6. So the degree of this whole polynomial is 6. Clear class? Then here the degree of this polynomial 25 minus x raised to the power 4. Here there is no x, no literal. So here the degree is 4. Here the degree is 1 because x is here and we have to take the greatest of the exponents of its various terms, greatest out of them. So no x is here, only here is there and its power is 1. So the degree is 1. Now a polynomials of 2 or more variables and their degrees. Here you can see 3x plus xy square minus 8yz. It is a polynomial made of 3 variables x, y and z. Here y cube, y square x, x square, y square, x5. So it is a polynomial of 2 variables x and y. Now to find their degrees. First, the sum of the powers of all the variables used in each term of a given polynomial, and then the greatest of these sums is the degree of the given polynomial. Now for example, there is a polynomial this. First use sum. Find the sum of the powers of all the variables used in each term. One term is this, second term is this, third term is this. Here the power is 1. Here it is 1. X has got no power, so it is 1 and it is y is 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. Here 1 and 1, 2. Now out of these, highest is 3. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. I hope it is clear to you. Now we come to the last question of this exercise, question number 10. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. Here there are 2 terms. Here the power is 1, here the power is 2. So the highest power is 2, so the degree is 2. In this, 1 term, 2 term, 3 term. The power is 2, the power is 1. The highest one is 2. So the answer is 2. Here 3, 8, 10. The highest one is 10. Fine class? And in case there are 2 or more variables, so first you will add the powers of each term separately. So here is 2, here is 3 and here is 2 plus 7, 9. So the highest one is 9. So the degree is 9. I hope now this chapter is completely clear to you. Please complete both the exercises 18A and B and please ask your problems. Thank you. Have a very beautiful day.